Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study math effectively, drawing on proven strategies. First, focus on truly understanding the underlying principles of each topic. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. Then, actively test yourself on these concepts. This means trying to recall information from memory, not just rereading your textbook. Consistent practice is also crucial, dedicating at least 30 minutes daily to problem solving. This approach builds a strong foundation and improves retention significantly. To truly master math, move beyond rote memorization of formulas. Instead, strive for a deep conceptual understanding. Try breaking down complex problems into smaller, more digestible components. A great technique is to explain a concept aloud, as if teaching it to someone else. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Also, actively link new mathematical ideas to concepts you've already learned, creating a robust mental framework for better recall and application. Active recall is a powerful tool for long-term retention in math. Instead of just rereading notes, quiz yourself regularly using flashcards or by attempting problems from memory. Consistent practice is equally vital. Aim for at least 5 to 10 varied problems each day. Don't shy away from challenging questions, as they highlight areas needing more attention. Critically review every mistake you make, understanding where you went wrong, reinforcing correct methods for future success. Spaced repetition is key to embedding mathematical knowledge deeply into your memory. Don't cram. Instead, review concepts at gradually increasing intervals. For instance, revisit a topic after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Pay particular attention to topics you find difficult, giving them more frequent review sessions. This method prevents forgetting and ensures your understanding of mathematical principles remains sharp and readily accessible for any problem you encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.